Hello, welcome to another series of the Margo tutorial training. I am Folorunsho Olutayo Oyebisi. Today we'll be talking about how to make this beautiful glow oil. You know, I promised the subscribers that there will be so many new things coming up, and I'm sure you have been watching those videos and you are happy that those kind of videos are coming up. However, if you are a newbie, maybe you are just tuning into this channel today, I would like you to subscribe to this channel. Put on your notification bell, because if you do, there will be so many goodies coming all the way. Also, you can ask your question in the comment section. You can make your request in the comment section. I will be there to answer your request. Let's go straight into the practical. We are here for the production of our face glow oil. The main components in this production is our beauty series oil. You know, it's a skin perfection serum. It helps for old scars. It works on acne marks, you know, for a lightening complexion, no skin. You know, it's an advanced formula for oil or cream production. However, we will be using it for our face cream purpose. So this oil comes in 150 gram. Sorry about that, 150 ml rather. So I've noticed that there is the white and the pink. The last one I used was the pink one. From what I'm seeing is like this is the white one. I'm still trying to do more research to find out why that difference. Please don't mind me. This is a container I used to infuse with sunflower. So it has nothing to do with this production, since we're also using sunflower oil. So this container has 150 ml in it, but we need something around 100 ml. So I'll be pressing it into this container this way. Because this container is 250 ml, I will know when I've already, you understand, reached, you know, this is something like 100 ml, and the remaining one inside this place is 100 ml. So we're making a 250 ml batch. So here is our beauty series oil poured into this place. Now we're going to be mixing in our propylene glycol, 50 gram. You know, propylene glycol, what does it do? It helps anything you use with propylene glycol. Propylene glycol helps it to penetrate well into your system. It will penetrate well. Now here is my almond oil. Oh, almond is too good for glow. It helps you glow. You understand? You know, some people believe that almond oil could use the alone for glow, could darken you. So for the fact that we have made the beauty series oil our base, we have no issue. Also, we are using sunflower oil to top it up. You know, sunflower oil, we use sunflower oil because the comedogenic number of sunflower is very low. That means that it will not clog your pores. You understand? This product will not clog your pores. So thereafter, we have to shake it thoroughly. Shake it thoroughly. Please don't forget that if you are making this product and you are using the beauty series that comes in a pinkish color, then this solution that is coming out yellow will give you a pinkish solution. But this one that I used, this is what I got right now, is giving me a golden color. So here is our glow oil. You can use this in the morning, you can use it in the night. It has an SPF, you understand? So even if you are not using anything that has SPF, you can easily use this. However, shake it thoroughly. You can package it into smaller containers for those of us that intend to sell it. Small containers that has a pinpoint mouth, and you are good to go. Thank you for watching.